Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Accent Sport Hatch, stock reference number 5536. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a G4 FD 1.6 litre full-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FD 1.6 litre full-cylinder petrol engine with the radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small fold on the rear edge, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.